Never say die, out in the goondocks or in the garden. About a month ago, my garden was wiped out by a hailstorm. I was pretty down about it, all that hard work down the drain. But I left things alone, kind of forgot about gardening, and things came back all on their own. Let's go check it out. This side of the grapevine was protected. Hail was coming the other way. Still got some grapes over here on this side. Fig tree, horseradish came back. Here's the hail damaged leaves. Fruit trees, pretty much a bust this year. Had a late frost, then the hailstones got pretty much what was left. Trees are doing okay though, came back from the hail. This is apricots. Hail damage on this branch, pretty severe. Beans are starting to climb the trellis. They should be much higher. They just had to start over. Beets are pretty much flattened. Then they came back, they were stressed, and the bugs got them. Looks like I might even get some onions. I thought they were done for. And garlic, it's ready to harvest. Looking pretty good. I'll probably give it a few more days. The tomatoes under this pear tree were saved. They got a little break from the hail. Some of the lettuce came back. And my carrot seed. That was totally flattened. But it came back. Pole beans. Quiet over there, trying to make a video. Pole beans. Asparagus ferns. I was very surprised that these cabbages came back. I have harvested a few of these cabbages. I need to harvest the rest today. They're starting to crack in the heat. Peppers and onions that came back. It's amazing. These peppers were just sticks. Tomatoes that came back from sticks. There's the hail damage it grew back from. I also had quite a few volunteer tomatoes. You gotta love those volunteers. Everything's just gonna be a little bit late this year, but it did come back. I'm gonna plant some squash, some late squash. Some of the farmers around here just planted theirs. Let's go check out the chickens. I did add some new hens and a rooster this year. There's our rooster, king of the coop. He's a copper Moran. There's some of the new hens. Old hen. They're still working out the pecking order. More hail damaged apples. Fruit trees outside of the fence. Pear, apple, peach, and a pluot. Some of that native sage gets a little more water in here. It does really good. One of my mulberries, another mulberry. I found this one in my yard, left there by a bird. Bush cherry, and a cottonwood tree I planted a few years ago. Growing really well. Italian plum, Santa Rosa plum, not doing so well. Quince, and another baby plum tree. Chop and drop mulch. It's all kochia weed. It's been hot and windy. Pumping some water today. Water storage tank. The old mill pumps water up here. The pond is still full. That's from that hailstorm. Not too bad. They'll make some kraut. There's always something to be learned in the garden, and that was the lesson I learned this year. Never say die, never give up. Plants are a lot tougher than you think they are. I'll see you next time at the Windmill Garden.